Hello guys. Today I am going to discuss a new chapter, Arithmetic Progression, class 10, chapter number 5. You must have observed that in nature many things follow a certain rule, such as the petals of sunflower, the holes of honeycomb, the grains on a maize cob, and spiral of pineapple and on a pine cone. Let us take some example. Suppose Reena got a job in a reputed company with an agreement of monthly salary 8,000 rupees and 500 rupees every year increment. Let us write her salary for the first year. She got rupees 8,000 rupees. Second year, because she get 500 rupees increment, therefore her salary will become rupees 8,500. And in third year, she got 9,000 rupees, and in fourth year she got 9,500 rupees, and so in the successive year. One more example. You have seen a ladder like this. Suppose the bottom rung of this ladder is 45 centimeter, and just above this is suppose 2 centimeter less, 43 centimeter, just above it 41 centimeter, and so on. Observing the list of these numbers, in second case the bottom rung is 45 centimeter, just above this bottom is 43 centimeter, and 41 centimeter, next 39, next 37, and so on. Observe these two cases. Now we write some list of number. The first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Second, 100, 70, 40, and so on. Third, -3, -2, -1, 0, and so on. Fourth, 3, 3, 3, 3. Fourth case. Fifth case, -1.0, -1.5, to -2.0, -2.5, and so on. Each of the number in the list are called term. Each number, this first term, second term, third term, and so on. Given a term, can you write the next term in this list? If so, how will you write it? Perhaps by following certain pattern. What is that pattern? Let us observe all these cases. In case first, you observe here, each term is one more than the preceding term. That means 2 is one more than 1, 3 is one more than 2, 4 is one more than 3. And in second case, each term is 30 less than the preceding term. That is 70. 30 less than 100 and 40. 30 less than 70. In second, one more than the previous term. If you add 1 minus 3, you will get this by adding 1 to the preceding term. And in fourth case, each term is 3. Therefore, the next term is obtained by adding 0 to the preceding term. And like this, in this case, minus 5 is added to the preceding term, you will get the next term. Therefore, an arithmetic, this in this case, 1 is the fixed number by which adding to the preceding number we get next number. Here 30 is a fixed number. You will get the preceding number by adding next number, a successive number 30, or you can say that minus 30 will be the fixed number. In this case, the plus 1, in this case 0, and in this case minus 0.5. These are the numbers in each term by which we add to the preceding term to get the successive term. These fixed numbers are called common difference. Therefore, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. And this common difference or fixed number can be negative, as you have seen in these two cases, positive, as you have seen in these two cases, and also 0, as you have seen in this case. That's all for this arithmetic progression. Thank you.